All right, check this out. In the event that you go to have your vehicle serviced and the service advisor comes up to you and tells you you need a brake flush, is it something you have to do right away, or is it something you can wait a little while? This vehicle hasn't had a brake flush. We've owned it since brand new. It's been 8 years. In theory, you would think it needs a brake flush. So one way to test it is with a little brake fluid tester. Now this is going to check how much moisture is in the brake fluid. If there's moisture in it, it's not good. It's really got to be flushed. Another reason why it would be a good thing to flush your brake fluid is opening and closing the bleeder screws once in a while. If you don't do that, eventually they're going to seize up and then you're going to end up having to replace calipers. Now if you live in a rust belt area, you're probably going to have to do that anyway, so maybe you can't really justify doing a brake flush just for opening and closing the calipers. But if you have moisture in the brake fluid, you want to change it. So you can pick one of these up. There is a link in the description. I bought this with my own money. No one is sponsoring this video. I'm going to wipe off the cap before we take it off. I already wiped it off. Pull the cap off. There's a little cap on the light. Just push this in. And basically it's checking the resistance in the brake fluid. And right here, look, after 8 years, it still reads good. It still reads okay. Anyway, so it's got 2%. So I'm at the 2%. Not quite the 3. All right, so let's check this on an even older vehicle, but that's pretty good. I mean, I'm probably not going to change the brake fluid tomorrow, but I will change it pretty soon. Or flush the brake fluid. All right, the brake fluid in this vehicle is even older. I've never changed it. It is black, so it should be changed just because of the color of it. But let's see what we got here. And it's all the way red. So it does work. So definitely check this thing out. There'll be a link in the description. What it's doing is it's checking the resistance in the brake fluid. And if there's moisture in there, the resistance is going to be different. So pretty cool. Neat little tool. So I guess it's time to change the brake fluid in this. So being able to measure it, it's a little bit easier for me to justify to my customers that they actually need to change the brake fluid, other than just me saying, yeah, it's 2 years old, or yeah, it looks a little dark. So this is one more reason why. So if you're a mechanic, definitely check this thing out.